everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting because I'll be unboxing my first ever designer shoes. I decided to share with you the whole unboxing experience with you on my channel, and that's what we are doing today. These are Prada shoes. I posted the other day on my Instagram stories. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me there. It's Mariya Marinova. I posted a picture where I was asking you what's inside the box. I gave you two options, bag or shoes, and most of the people, they voted that I bought a bag, but actually I bought shoes. And these shoes I've been wanting since last fall. This is basically their fall winter collection 2019, and I really liked them back then, and I also like the military cover. I will share it here on the side, and the military green, and then they were sold out. They were also sold out online, and then the corona came and I couldn't manage to order them. And the other week we were in the city with my husband, and we entered the shop. We saw the shoes, I tried them on, and my husband said, okay, we're getting them because they're super cool. Also, they're all year round kind of shoes. You can wear them in summer, you can wear them in fall, you can wear them in winter, every season, perfect. And also I think they look super cool. Okay, this is the pretty bag they gave me from the store. It's Prada or nada. Here is also this beautiful band. So okay, now so here is the box of the actual shoes. This is the box. Super cool, right? Like this. And then inside here it says also Prada. They're black. Ta-da! So pretty. They're so pretty. Okay, so these are the Cloudbust Thunder sneakers. They look like this. They have some red details on the back, and it says Cloudbust Thunder, and underneath you have the Prada logo. I think they look super cool. I haven't seen that much pictures of them online, especially on social media, of influencers or fashion bloggers wearing these. I know one blogger, she's from Germany, and she has the military green pair, and I love how she styled them. So these, actually she inspired me to get them because I think they look super cool and super versatile with different kinds of styles. I can wear them with a dress, with a skirt, with jeans, with pants, everything. Like, you can style them and still make a huge statement. So I love them. I really wanted, like I said, I really wanted to get the military green, but then I thought, okay, it's super special color and sometimes you can't really style it with many outfits. And red, and black, let's be real, black goes with everything. And also the nice red details on the back, it's also super cool. The black ones are lighter than the other shades, other colors. Not sure about the other colors if they change it there, but the black ones, they're lighter, and yeah, they're not that heavy. And I remember back info when I tried them for the first time in store. I tried the green ones and they were really heavy. So yes, for sure they have changed something and now they are much more lighter. Please comment below if you like them. Comment below if you own them actually, and how they performed after wearing them for a while. Comment below. Also comment below if you want to purchase them. Also let me know. And if you have any other questions about these shoes, comment below. Let me know. Follow me also on Instagram so you can see upcoming looks wearing these shoes, styling the shoes. Follow me there. It's Mariya Marinova. And let's try them on. Usually I'm wearing 38, size 38 European, and these are 37.5, because the Prada shoes, they tend to be produced like to be bigger, like, you know what I mean? This was my unboxing video of my first ever luxurious shoes I have ever purchased. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one.